What's up, everybody?
Yo, yo, yo.
It's been a while, probably 5 months to be exact.
I know you missed us.
Oh, you better believe it. And we got something a little bit different today, but I'm Landon.
And I'm Adam.
And this is Embrace the Outdoors. And we took my boat out last weekend, changed the fuel plugs, redid the lower unit oil. And it was kind of running pretty bad, but Adam will tell you what we're doing in this video.
So what we're going to attempt to do today is replace the parts inside the carburetor. We're going to do a complete rebuild. Hopefully we get better performance out on the water. Go catch some bass.
Bassy and crappie.
Ready to get to it?
Show them the package.
We're going to be breaking this bad boy out.
And we'll take you along step by step. Hope you enjoy and hope you catch us on the next video of catching fish. Well, everyone, we just got the carbs rebuilt. Adam's looking at my fuel pump on there, and we're going to start piecing this thing back together. Stay tuned. Well, we just got the carbs put back on. Gonna put one plate on. I'm gonna leave this other plate off. So when I take it out tomorrow, I can shoot carb cleaner down in it while we're going. But that took a little bit, but it'll be worth it in the long run. Hope you guys are enjoying this video.
Let's finish her up.
Well, everyone, we got it put back together. As you can see, fresh, clean. ready to go.
Mean machine.
I really thank you for stopping by, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my page. And we're going to try it out tomorrow, so there'll be a video on that tomorrow. But thanks for stopping by, and enjoy these bloopers.
Go get 'em! Howdy.
Hey. What are you saying? Damn. What's happening?